Alright guys, so we're gonna do the salt-powered robot today. And it says all you need is water and salt. Which I'm gonna have to go get some water here in a little bit to do this, but that won't be towards the end. So opening it up, get the parts. You get the instruction booklet, which I might actually read, and I hardly ever read instructions. And then you get a little plastic cup inside of this. I got this one at Hobby Lobby for $12.99 before tax. So, let's see what it's all about. So it comes with the dropper. I guess it's inside the package. I guess we'll see that. Here's the instructions. You can pause and read this if you want to. But I'll go ahead. Guess we'll find out in the process. It's got some little absorbent pads, some copper plating right there, wires, screws, the tires, some more copper. Wow, that looks like it's the actual contact plates for the copper. It's got a little dropper and a little thing to hold the copper plating. Not too sure what this is, and I guess it comes with 2 of them. So we'll see about that. So to put this thing together, we'll just, I don't want to break these, because I have a feeling that's exactly the first thing I'm going to do. Identify the 2 ends of the check. So we'll need to open these up. Go find a screwdriver in a little while. Alright, so the 2 screws are just the eyeballs, so I'm not going to really put those in. So the next step is to stick him on. You can turn him as necessary to however you want him to be. It does matter which one you put these in, apparently. And they do fit in here both ways, so you want to make sure the little tabs are facing down. Alright, so it looks like we got our little robot put together. So this is magnesium. And this little cup is to put the magnesium in. Alright, so it's telling me to get these copper sheets.
Alright, here's what I'm going to do first. Is get the magnesium sheet.
So I'm going to get this and stick it in here first. So it goes like that. And then you get your fabric sheet. Stick it right on top of that magnesium sheet. Alright. And then you'll get a copper sheet and slide it in on top, on the top little section of it. You just push it in. That is kind
of tough to push in there. But you want to push it all the way until there's
a little bitty notch right here in this corner. You just want to push it all the way up against that. Alright. Now, I'm going to go get you're just going to pour this inside. It says to make sure you don't get any of this onto the copper sheet. Which makes no sense because I'm about to close it and it's going to be touching the copper sheet. Whatever. Now I need a hole right there. Using the little scoop right here that it comes with. But yeah, that's one of the batteries. I'm not gonna do the other one. Alright, so I'm back with the water, a cup. I got my salt and a spoon. So there's two little contactors down here at the bottom. You'll just slide it right in. That doesn't feel like it's very secure in there, so. All right. So we got some salt water. Take the dropper and suck up some salt water. Now squeeze a few drops of water onto the battery's cartridge through the fuel hole. It says the battery will last continuously for around 10 minutes. To temporarily stop the robot, pull the battery cartridge from the motor wire contacts. If you're going to leave it off for several hours, unload the battery cartridge from the holder. Pour away the active carbon, wash the battery sheets with clean water and leave them to dry. If not washed well, salt crystals might grow and affect the robot's operation. The copper and fabric sheets can be reused again and again. The magnesium plate, due to the chemical reaction, will oxidize and its surface will become blackened. To reuse it, use a cotton bud and some vinegar, wipe the blackened surface until it becomes shining again. Caution, do not place the plate in vinegar directly. Each magnesium plate can be reused 3 times. And then it's got the spare battery cartridge and a copper plate, an extra fabric sheet, and it looks like it's got about 3 extra of the magnesium plates and a ton of carbon. Put this at the side of the view, like right about here. Add some water to it. I think I added too much salt. Maybe just a tiny bit too much salt. Alright, so it looks like I added too much salt, so I'm just going to set this one to the side, deal with this one later, and I'll just do a whole new one right here. Also in the instruction booklet, it makes it seem like it's a whole lot easier to do this. Like, these things aren't the size of your thumb. But, so I got the second plate on here. Maybe I just didn't have it pushed down hard enough. Let's try that real quick. Nope, that didn't work. Okay, so I added a lot more water, so if this doesn't work, there's not enough salt now. I gotta push it backwards. Yep, there it goes. Wow, that thing is quick.
Little fun little toy.
If it lasts about 10 minutes, I will just let it run and see about how long it runs. And I will let you guys know. This is also one battery pack. The other one's over here. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so the other battery pack's right here. I'm pretty sure I didn't do it right, but I'm also going to take it apart and clean it just like it said. That way, just in case I did it right and it's supplying power, nothing actually happens inside there. But give me a few minutes with this thing and then I'll let you guys know what I think. Alright, so it's been about 15 or so minutes. It's still going very slowly. If you set it like this, it won't go at all. We tried adding some more salt water to it and it just won't move. So you have to rebuild the battery if you do it again. I don't know if the carbon stopped or what exactly happened inside here. The magnesium strip said it would last 3 times, so it might just be the carbon in here that's out. So, as of right now, I'm just going to let my daughter destroy it because, you know, she's 2 and that's what she does. But she's right here with me and she can have at it.